Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kajing penkria jong kiseng san partai berper ke election MP kalanang nyat Ïakhun. Ha kabakila don gi katu kat ni kiseng gi bala Pynbna gi Kyrtong jong gi Kyrtong gi bania aireng ha ka election. Bana kalian kiseng Congress ru kala pha gi Kyrtong jong gi Kyrtong sya kiseng kemi ke All India Congress Committee. Makan ai ke jumenjur. Habakran sikilat patai kubor mentah kesing baar unong yang nam keseng Congress ubak Ronnie V. Lingdo ulang banak leng election committee jong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kampan laban penpawi ki Kyrtong jugi Kyrtong ki ban Ïakhun ni ke election tat hadu anda keseng kemi kala ai ke jing menjur bat lek si ha Taïew ke Nyngkong jo banai Rymphang keseng ke saban banai gi tegi Kyrtong jugi Kyrtong ki ban Ïakhun na Shillong ban Natura Parliamentary Constituency. Habakli lah tu keseng Congress kan la ban ki klik biang sa sisien ha ke election MP nak liang MP keseng na po Shillong ba Vincent long ba wat la ka long ka bajuat Henry unget scam baling ba gajing tre shitom jugi dukhat ba gajing shanya ni kipat ba ya kaseng ka doni gajing net ba scam ba sa job biang wat ha kani ka sien ka ba mentaru.
For the selections or recommendations of the candidate for the 2 seats in Meghalaya, like I have stated before, so I'll be happy if Baroni brief us what decisions we have taken since I'm a candidate for the same. So I think it's not fair for me to talk about myself. So Baroni is a CLP leader and he will tell us.
Okay, thank you, Mr. President. Take over from where you've left. So he's already finished with the 2 agendas. We are now talking about the 3rd agenda. That is the selection of the candidates for the Lok Sabha seat, Shillong and Tura. So until and unless the ICC approves, we cannot disclose the names, but we have received application and we've had the Pradesh Election Committee and we have given our views and comments, and the ICC in charge has just left, Dr. Kumar, along with the recommendation from the Pradesh Election Committee of Pynbna. So we will be able to give you the names only after approval from EICC, that is the Central Election Committee. But this only indicates that we are fully prepared to face the election to the Lok Sabha from both Shillong and Tura seats. We've received, so we'll not be able to disclose the names because we received a few applications. So we've forwarded views and comments to the ICC. Until and unless they declare, we will not be able to disclose the names.
How soon can we expect this to be?
The screening committee, I believe, should be before the end of this month. I believe by the first week of the next month, we should be able to disclose to whom the ICC has approved the names.
For Tura, how many seats you have already received the application?
We've received few applications, so we will not disclose you the names because it will not be fair on our part, because we are not the final authority. Final authority is the Central Election Committee.
I think very important questions that people ask still the support and faith in the Congress. Definitely we should have a proper plan. We had a series of meetings we have planned. We have been allocated different responsibilities for different areas and constituencies, and they are on the ground working. I think like other elections, normally elections 2 months before elections only when the election commission declared, then everything starts. So same thing this time also. Like other parties, they are working on the ground. We also we have already started working on the ground. We have allotted different responsibilities for the MLAs, MDCs, and the district presidents. So this time also they have done our job. And next meeting we will be having very soon because of Rahul Gandhi's visits. We could not have the meeting these days. So maybe within a week we will have a state executive. Then we will be working a program which will definitely be happy to share with you.
How confident are you to win this election in this Lok Sabha election? Since Congress now reduced to only 5 constituencies.
Yeah, you are right. It's very challenging, but at the same time, I think with hard work, nothing comes free without hard work. With hard work, though the leaders has left us and many workers also has left us, but definitely this time I think if you see the enthusiasm where the people, whenever we have a meeting, enthusiasm of the workers and also the supporters this time. So we are quite confident that we should make it this time also.
Habakali halor ka jing sha kan tho jong Taïew MP pa jukran AA halor kamat ILP bat ka jing kan tho ka ktien khasi bat garu hapo ka kharnet ka bapra hapo parliament ba Vincent Long ba kata ka jing kan no kalong ka babakla namar na kapor ujura bha ye kite kimat.
I think that is wrong. It is there in record in Parliament that I have raised a number of times of the ILP in Meghalaya. I have raised a number of times of the inclusion of the Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule. I think I'll prove for that, I think.